Currently, the Fear and Greed Index is at 63, indicating a bullish sentiment among investors. This suggests that traders are optimistic, but not overly greedy, which can be healthy for market growth. In the short term, this momentum may support continued price rallies. However, caution is advised for potential reversals. In the medium and long term, sentiment gauges like this help assess overall market psychology, and a high index can precede profit-taking or corrections. Investors should keep an eye on this index to gauge market timing. Ripple has submitted an application for a national banking license, aiming to expand its crypto services. This move signals Ripple's confidence in integrating more deeply with traditional financial systems, potentially paving the way for greater adoption. In the short term, it could boost XRP's credibility and price, but regulatory hurdles remain. In the medium to long term, this could significantly impact Ripple's growth trajectory and the broader crypto ecosystem, possibly attracting institutional interest. Bitcoin is trading in a narrow range around $108,000, with market jitters surrounding trade policies and looming tax bills. This uncertainty limits significant upward movement in the short term. If these concerns ease over time, we might see renewed momentum. Short-term traders should be cautious, but longer-term investors may view the current consolidation as a healthy pause before new rally attempts. Ethereum has been stuck in a tight trading range. However, recent spot ETF inflows could trigger a break higher. If inflows continue, Ethereum's price might surge, attracting more bullish interest. In the short term, traders should watch for volatility. In the medium to long term, a breakout could establish a new upward trend, boosting ETH's prospects in 2025. Tether earned over $5.2 billion in 2024, leveraging rising interest rates and its massive reserves to turn monetary policy into profit. This demonstrates how stablecoins can generate significant income and influence the crypto economy. In the short term, stablecoins like Tether can impact liquidity and market stability. In the longer term, their profitability may lead to increased issuance, affecting supply and prices. Donald Trump's crypto-related ventures, including meme coin launches and holdings, have boosted his net worth by $620 million this year. This highlights growing mainstream interest in crypto from high-profile figures. While this can lend legitimacy and attract new investors, it may also bring regulatory scrutiny. In the medium to long term, Trump's involvement could positively influence sentiment, but may also add volatility depending on regulatory developments. Analysts now project Bitcoin reaching around $170,000, driven by record-high global M2 money supply and a weakening dollar. This bullish outlook suggests that macroeconomic factors could propel Bitcoin higher in the coming months. Short-term traders might see this as an opportunity, while, in the medium to long term, these fundamentals could support sustained price growth, making Bitcoin a hedge against inflation. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, has approved a large-cap crypto ETF, opening the door for XRP, Solana, and Cardano spot ETFs to begin trading. This development could increase institutional interest and liquidity for these assets. In the short term, prices may see a boost. Over the longer term, ETF adoption can significantly validate these projects, potentially leading to sustained demand and higher valuations. Intralot has secured commitments for a €400 million share sale, aiming to finance its acquisition of Bally's Interactive. This strategic move could strengthen Intralot's position in gaming and entertainment, potentially boosting its stock. While not directly impacting crypto markets, positive corporate moves can influence market sentiment, indirectly supporting crypto assets tied to the gaming and fintech sectors. Although not in the original list, ongoing discussions about a digital pound in the UK are noteworthy. Central bank digital currencies could shape the future monetary landscape, impacting the demand for cryptocurrencies. A digital pound might enhance CBDC adoption, which could have positive long-term effects on digital asset markets. However, it could also introduce regulatory shifts that could affect prices. DeFi Development announced a $100 million convertible note, aimed at buying Solana, ticker symbol SOL. This is expected to boost investor confidence in Solana-based projects. This capital infusion could drive a rally for Solana and related altcoins. In the short term, expect increased volatility, but in the medium to long term, this could catalyze a broader altcoin surge, enhancing Solana's market position. Ethiopia has reached an agreement to restructure over $3.5 billion in debt, providing economic relief and stability. While not directly linked to crypto, such geopolitical developments can impact emerging markets and investor risk appetite. Positive developments like this can favorably influence crypto markets in the medium term as investor confidence improves.